Critical appreciation of Tresham Sandy by Lawrence Stern. Lawrence Stern is best known for his novel The Life and Opinions of Tristram Shandy, Gentleman, for which he became famous not only in England but throughout यूरोप. केवल इंग्लैंड में नहीं बल्कि पूरे यूरोप में फेमस हुआ. द नॉवेल इटसेल्फ इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू डिस्क्राइब. बोलता है यह उपन्यास अपने आप में बहुत कठिन है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज जस्ट ट्रिसम सैंडी. इसका शॉर्टकट नाम ट्रिसम सैंडी है. इस नॉवेल का पूरा नाम द लाइफ एंड ओपिनियन ऑफ ट्रिसम सैंडी है एंड वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 9 वॉल्यूम्स. इसको 9 भागों में पब्लिश किया गया है. इट क्लेम्स टू बी ए बायोग्राफी ऑफ द eponymous character. Tristram argues that the thoughts and feelings of the parents while having sex to conceive a baby have a huge impact on the personality and fortune of future child. बोलता है जब कोई भी बच्चा का फ्यूचर उसके माता पिता के सोच और विचार पर निर्भर करता है. The Life and the Opinions of Tristram Shandy, Gentleman, also known as Tristram Shandy, is a novel by Lawrence Stern, inspired by Don Quixote. It was published in 9 volumes, the first 2 appearing in 1759 and 7 other following over the next 7 years. बोलता है इसका फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम 1959 में पब्लिश्ड हुआ. उसके बाद आगे 7 साल में उसका अगला वॉल्यूम पब्लिश्ड हुआ. इट इज़ एन 18th सेंचुरी फिक्शनल ऑटोग्राफी. यह 18वीं शताब्दी का उपन्यास है. आत्मकथा. ए डेयर अटेम्प्ट विच अक्लेम्ड इट्स पॉपुलरिटी एज एन एक्सपेरिमेंटल नॉवेल. बोलता है यह एक एक्सपेरिमेंटल नॉवेल के रूप में फेमस हुआ. विच इज़ हाईली बेस्ड ऑन Lockean philosophy where psychology, imperialism and political liberalism dominates. बोलता है इसमें मुख्य रूप से साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पेरियलिज्म और पॉलिटिकल लिबरलिज्म दिखाया गया है. मतलब कि ह्यूमन बींग्स का साइकोलॉजी का जो साम्राज्य है कैसे काम करता है वो दिखाया गया. और पॉलिटिकल लिबरलिज्म मतलब राजनीतिक उदारवाद, राजनीतिक स्वतंत्रता को दिखाया गया है. Due to its characteristic future, the novel is considered as a modern avant-garde. इसका मतलब हुआ कि आने वाला समय मॉडर्न का जो पथ रूप होता है इस नॉवेल में दिखाया गया है. Although it was published in the middle of 18th century, बोलता है कि 18वीं शताब्दी के जबकि यह 18वीं शताब्दी के मध्य में पब्लिश्ड हुआ. लेकिन मॉडर्न तो 20th सेंचुरी से स्टार्ट होता है. A stream of consciousness technique was also applied similarly as to unfold the happenings of writer's mind. और इसमें स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस को टेक्निक को भी दिखाया गया कि राइटर अपने विचारों को एक लंबे समय तक कैसे अनुरूप करते हैं while composing a novel. In it, Stern tries to justify his fictional inventiveness and playfulness, where he frequently adds to his audience and expresses the stream of thoughts of his inner mind. जब कोई राइटर अपने विचारों को लिखता है तो लगातार वह अलग ही दुनिया में खो जाता है. This fiction advocates the thoughts and feeling motivation of the characters equally or greater interest than the external action of the narrator. यह नॉवेल कोई भी कैरेक्टर के इनर फीलिंग, थाउट और विचारों उपदेशों को दर्शाता है. Here the novelist combines the emotional reaction and internal states of character within the external events in a meaningful way. यहाँ पर उपन्यासकार इमोशनल रिएक्शन और आंतरिक अवस्था किसी किसी करेक्टर का आंतरिक अवस्था को और इमोशनल रिएक्शन को कंबाइन करता है. दिस emphasis on the inner life of the character as a fundamental element of the vast body of this fiction. Tristram Shandy has been remarkable because of Stern's use of digressive method, where he does not follow the normal expectation of his age. A chronology of events shall be the scaffolding of fiction. There is a regular break in the chronology of events in Tristram Shandy, as the writer prefers his mind to capture the interest of the reader. Sterne is considered to be an unconventional writer of the 18th century who has attracted the most diverse opinions from both his readers and literary critics, especially for this novel. It is criticized as an anti-novel due to its boring structure, bawdy tales, and ludicrous dialogues. It is hard to call it a truly 18th century novel, although it follows the publicly oriented narrator and conventional style. The novel acclaimed its true consideration in the 20th century, where critics added appraisal for its musical structure, digressive art, and submersive postmodernist technique. The novel is known for its order in disorder, innovational style, and portraying central character. Tristram Shandy as an anti-hero, he has nothing heroic in his life. It is the 20th century critics who considered it is one of the earlier psychological novels in which autobiographical description play an important role. Unlike Fielding's Tom Jones, where life and adventures of the hero presented in a orderly form, in Tristram Shandy, the hero appears as an infant in the third chapter, and adventure of his life has been discussed in a topos, topostry manner. A stream of thought plays an important role in the development of novel. Early individual and events moves in direct response to the controlling consciousness of the author. He makes them move or he makes them to stop in inner their tracks in mid sentence, and when the author thinks that it is time to go back to them, the author shifts to past and finish the sentence. This very shifting can be considered as a stream of consciousness. Even the little of the novel even the title of the novel, The Life and Opinion of the Tristram Shandy Gentleman, is itself a clue of Stern's intentions, where Tristram views his life through the medium of his opinions, and his opinions are order in disorder. The main purpose of writing this novel is order in disorder, मतलब कि गलत में भी सही होना. Control the presentation of his past remembrance. Tristram Shandy is an unconventional novel. Unconventional novel मतलब ये ट्रेडिशनल नॉवल नहीं है. अ प्रीडेसेसर ऑफ एब्सर्डिज्म मतलब बेतुकतावाद का प्रीडेसेसर है. पायनियर मतलब इसका जो शुरुआत किया था. Proving that Sterne has no regard for the laws of the novel, he begins his story, so to speak, in medias, and about middle of the first volume decided to write a preface. Thus, having no interest in the chronology of events that took place at the on time are related before or after other that took place after them. The novel turns out is centrally characterized by irrationality, and absurdity. Psychological state immensely used in the association of ideas. Its closely structure proves it to be an anti-novel and treats Sandy as an anti-hero. To conclude, as Lawrence Stern opposed sentiment to reason, sensation to reflection, and with his impression, revived that joy in the passing snow which the graver spectator of the human drama runs the risk of letting slip. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for more videos of English.